is our first overnight in the shelter, and we are about an hour and 45 minutes of daylight. One hell of a hike in. Crazy, half the trail is swamped. So, got our firewood there. And what we've done very quickly is every time we come out, we make minor adjustments. Put another welding blanket inside, you can see. And we put rivets underneath the duct tape, so there's triple rivets. You can see one there. And we have on the menu today, we have steak and sides. Should be good. I'm just about to fire the fire up here in a minute inside the shelters. So here, and it's actually the debut for my 75-liter Obus Form Chugger 75 Custom Edition. So it's held up good. Got my jet boil on me, and so we already drank like 7 Powerades just to get in here. It was pretty crazy. And over to the other camp, which we are currently dismantling. A temperature check. It's -1. This is Mark. You might have seen him before. I said this is Mark. You might have seen him before. And so what we've done already is we've taken off kind of a tripod that you would use.
Spare parts.
Pardon? Yeah, spare parts. Brought the Allen key, so we're dismantling this. We're going to use this ridge line for another shelter, and we have another stove that'll come out, and this will be kind of my house once we get her done. Since I'm 6'3", this is going to be great. And stand right up in it. It's great. It's very solid. So it's good. And we have 30 bricks, so we'll create some cooking system. That's maybe for another day, but we're going to try to survive the night and go from there. It's looking pretty good. The lake is right there, and the lake is not cooperating, so it makes it almost 4 times as hard to get in here. Mark's got a beautiful new bag, so awesome radio going. This is our Alton. Alright, so we're just getting underway here. First light coming up through it. First overnight. We'll be back.